Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damon and today I'm going to show you how to get thicker and fuller eyebrows with these two methods. It's super simple and it usually only takes me around like 5 minutes to do. First things first, the spoolie. For the one with the longer bristle, they usually clump up your eyebrows more, which isn't really to my liking, but to each their own. Personally, I prefer the one with the shorter bristle because they comb easier and they also spread out the hair more evenly. I'm using the disposable kind, which you can get a pack for a few dollars, but you could also use the one that comes on a brow pencil or a brush. Next, we will need a bar of soap. Any kind that is safe to use on your skin would work just fine. Also, make sure that the soap is transparent or will dry out clear. We will also need something to activate the soap. Here, I'm using a setting spray by Creamore Lab, but water works fine as well. If you really want your brows to stay till the end of time, you could also use hairspray to activate the soap. Start mixing it with the spoolie until you get a pasty consistency. Like this. For the first method, this will work great for people who have thick and stubborn eyebrows that grows in the direction that you don't want them to. It's super simple, just lightly coat your eyebrows with soap and brush it in the direction that you want. Don't press too hard because we still want the airiness to it, so it looks more natural. Next, with the brow pencil of your choice, start filling in any bald spots that you can see with light feathery strokes. Lastly, clean up the edges with a wet Q-tip or cotton pad where there's excess soap to it. This is to ensure when you apply your makeup you wouldn't get any weird patches around it. So if you are going to use this soap brow method, remember to do your brows before anything else. And that's it for the first method. This is a more natural approach to it for someone who has thicker eyebrows. Now for the second method, this will work great for people who have thinner eyebrows. It's literally the same thing, but this time, try pressing harder with the spoolie and really brush your brow hair onto the skin. Like really press it on. Remember to brush the top side of the brow like this to really make it look more clean and precise. After that, just repeat the same steps as before. And that's it. As you can tell that this one doesn't really suit my face. I literally look like I have two caterpillars on my face. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. Let me know what would you like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!